Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn modernism in American literature together, step by step. World War I left a generation deeply shaken. The old faith in progress, religion, and tradition seemed broken. Writers of this lost generation felt alienated and searched for meaning in a world that no longer made sense. Modernism captures that disillusionment. As you read, notice the mood of uncertainty, the sense that the center has given way, and characters must build meaning for themselves. A shattered world demanded shattered forms. Modernists broke from neat, linear storytelling. They used fragmented structures, jumbled timelines, and stream of consciousness that follows a mind's raw flow. Narrators became unreliable, and meaning was implied rather than spelled out. Ezra Pound's command, "Make it new," captured the spirit. The reader must work harder, piecing the fragments together, just as the characters do. F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby exposes the hollow side of the American dream. Gatsby builds enormous wealth, hoping to win back a lost love, reaching always toward a green light that stays just out of reach. Beneath the glittering parties lies emptiness and moral decay. Fitzgerald shows how the dream of reinvention can curdle into illusion when it rests on money and longing alone. Ernest Hemingway forged a stripped-down style. His iceberg theory held that most of a story's meaning should stay hidden beneath the surface, like the bulk of an iceberg underwater. He wrote in short, plain sentences and trusted readers to feel the emotion he left unstated. That restraint is powerful. By saying less, Hemingway often makes us feel far more. Here's the recap. 1. Modernism grew from post-war disillusionment and a sense of alienation. 2. Writers used fragmented forms, shifting timelines, and stream of consciousness to mirror a broken world. 3. Fitzgerald's Gatsby revealed the emptiness beneath the American dream. 4. Hemingway's spare iceberg style lets silence carry deep feeling. Modern readers learn to read between the lines. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.